Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Thị Kim Phượng. Today I would like to say you how to fix error launching app. The error will display the connection is blocked because ... When you want to open an SAP Fiori Launchpad, let's get started. The error it happened on ad and the Chrome with the detail error will be like this. The next slide, I will show you detailed step how to fix the issue onto the browser. First of all, I will show you how to fix the error on the Edge browser. To fix this issue on the Edge browser, you need have to disable flat local network access check from default to disable, and here in the detail step. First, you have to enter the URL to the address bar due to the local network access check like this, and to disable, the browser will notify that you need to restart to take effect. You browse to your application again, the issue will be fixed. With the Chrome, you also do the same step as the Edge browser. You enter the URL on the address bar and to local network access check. And to disable, the browser will require you to restart to take effect. And after restart, you check again your SAP Fiori. This is all for the set today, and I hope the solution will help you a little. You can see some video about SAP in here. Please like, share, and subscribe for my channel. It encourages me a lot to make a new videos. See you in my next video. Bye bye.